In this video, we are going to go over Madagascar Vanilla and its psycho-spiritual elements. My name is Desiree De Lune, formerly known as Desiree Mankendog, and I'm an acupuncturist, herbalist, and I specialize in emotional release work using essential oils. So I'm really excited to share with you the benefits of vanilla and why you need it in your home. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you're notified every time a new video is up every Tuesday. It's an aroma that we all know. It's sweet, it's gentle, it's creamy, it's rich, and guess what? It helps the earth element. The flavor is sweet and it supports the spleen and the stomach. If you don't know much about the earth element is quite the foundation for the nourishment and sustenance of all of the other organs. The stomach digests the food and the spleen takes that food and turns it into blood. Not only does it turn it into blood, but it also transports all that nutrition to every other organ, to every other cell, to all the tissues. So for healthy post-heaven essence, we rely upon the spleen and the stomach, when it's functioning well, to nourish the entire body. And here are some of the imbalances associated with earth element is worry and overthinking. That's when the stomach is not breaking things down properly. It's not digesting the food. It's not digesting problems. It's not digesting ideas. Not only that, the spleen, if it's weak and deficient, it is not delivering all of this nutrition to all the places it needs to go. So there is worry and panic of lack of nourishment. So if you struggle with chronic obsessive thinking over your problems, not feeling like you have a solid foundation beneath you, not feeling like your basic needs are covered. Because even if our basic needs, just like shelter, food, water, panic starts to well up. And so that is the benefit and the beauty of Madagascar Vanilla. When you need this just baseline, foundational feeling of I'm okay, everything's gonna be okay, everything's gonna be okay. You need that reassurance of everything's all good. Yep, things are getting taken care of. This is where vanilla can give you that. That's why people feel so much calm and so much ease with the scent of vanilla. I'm going to share with you a trio combination that I used the other day when things felt like, everything was kind of falling apart for me. And I did not feel safe. I did not feel secure. I didn't feel like I had a solid ground beneath me, that it was very uneasy. So if you have this chronic uneasiness, then I'm going to recommend these 3 essential oils. I love vanilla, bergamot, and cardamom. You can put in the diffuser 3 drops of vanilla, 2 drops of bergamot, and 2 drops of cardamom. Oh, doesn't that just sound delicious to you? So I ran that in the diffuser all day and was like, okay, able to breathe. We're gonna pull it together. We're gonna find a solution. We're gonna figure out a way. We're gonna get through this. So when there is even kind of a panic attack happening, a little bit of like a mini meltdown, then this is when vanilla would be great. I mean, vanilla has many other uses, but I'm just giving you one very important use of vanilla. When we combine those 3 essential oils together, vanilla gives that feeling of safety and security, like our basic needs are going to be met, that we don't need to be freaking out about. And then you have bergamot, like giving you a bit more positivity, a bit more hope for the future, that we can indeed change our circumstances, that it's possible. Okay, just that's all we need, is just a feeling that it's possible. And then cardamom further helps support the spleen and the stomach to just digest it and break down the situation, break down the problem, just get it down into little bits of chunks so that you can put it all together. You start to formulate a picture between bergamot and cardamom together and the support of vanilla. You start to be able to like digest it, break it down and be like, oh, okay, we can arrange things this way and put this here and put that there. And maybe we'll take care of this first and take care of this second. So in a way, it gives you a little bit of a plan. Gives you a little bit of a plan too, because the bergamot is really great for liver and gallbladder. And liver, gallbladder, wood element is everything to do with planning. And cardamon's good for liver too. So we have like a 1-2 punch between these 3 essential oils. So go put that in the diffuser and let me know how you like it, how it smells, what does it do for you? And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to tap on that like button. It really helps you to see more of my videos as well. And there is a link below for you to get 3 blends, 3 most popular blends from my I Am Fabulous book for free. So go look in the descriptions and check out my books. I got 4 of them. Got I Am Fabulous, I Am Worthy, I Am Magnetic, and the newest, oh, let me grab Elements of Emotion. This is basically a reference book that goes through each essential oil in depth, their psycho-spiritual aspects, and even the physical, and a lot of Chinese medicine clearly explained. Well, it's so great to hang out with you, and we will see you in the next video.